programming for 9 years. I started with Python. C++ I probably started like 4 years ago, maybe, I think. And then, so since then, I've been making games, lots of stuff like that. If you check out the Reddit, there's a link to the recent Ludum Dare I took part in. I've taken part in game jams for the last like 3 years, I think, as well. And I've for all of them basically use C++. But I'm in no way an expert programmer or anything like that. I'm still very much learning. But the great thing is that I get to learn like with you guys. So like the best way to learn is to make mistakes. So yeah, it's good. But it's better when people point them out to you on stream. So yeah. So, nice. Got any qualifications on it at all? I'm currently at university right now. I'm in my first year, computer science. So yeah, I don't have any qualification or anything like that at the moment. I'm working towards one though over the next 3 years. So yeah. Cool. Run battle, end battle. Okay, so in end battle, what we want to do is, well, we want to make that equal to false. Probably want to do that last though, because what I'm thinking is, are we storing anything here? No. Let's, all this would be private anyway, I think, so yeah. Games I see. Okay, nice, that's cool, that's cool. Yeah. How are you finding it? Is it good? What am I looking for? Yeah, so right, let's have a look. So, let's see, current battle entity. Yeah, can't type. Let's do Thunderlord582. Thank you very much for following the channel. I do appreciate it. You're awesome, dude. I hope you're having a wonderful day and enjoying the stream. Thank you very much. It means a lot to me. Thank you. You're now officially a member of the studio. Right, got current battle entity. What else we got? We got then. We got entity. I don't know. I could put current on front of all of them, I suppose. Current entity health. Int current. So you can just work with it locally, I think. Current. One person saying first game mobile. Oh, cool, dude. That's cool. That's cool. Do you have a Twitter or anything I could follow so I can get updates on it? That'd be quite cool to follow what's going on. So we've got current entity health. We could have current and yeah, level. I set a table border to 1,000. Why? Wow, that's not a good move. That's not a good move. You won't be able to see anything but the border, surely. How far am I in? 1.5. Cool. Let me see. Oh, cool, dude. Yeah, I think I have social. Does that work? There we go. There's my Twitter if you want to follow it. I'll follow you back after that. Cool. I just want to keep track. I like following people, like their development process, much like people like to do here, so it's cool. Thunderlord, I'm not using Unity, no, I'm creating everything from scratch in my own game engine. Everything's C++, and I'm using STL as my graphics library and stuff. It's all from scratch. Okay, cool, Zim, I'll have a read. I'll have a read, like, after I haven't, like, slept in, like, 32 hours. So yeah, don't worry. I'll have a read tomorrow. Yeah. No, that's cool. I'll keep up to date. Yeah, yeah. What am I doing? Yeah, okay, so let's get some stuff. Yeah, let's do new battle. Right, so we want to set some variables. So these are like, okay, so these are basically like placement variables. So let me comment this in. Because everyone complains I don't do enough commenting on my code. So we're saying battle into true, that's kind of obvious. I don't need to comment that. But what I need to do then is like set excuse me. Enemy what unit do you go to? I go to Oxford Brooks in the UK. Set enemy. Right, you know what? Just set like entities. Spelling. Right, okay, so then if we go back over here and get this, and then we can set them all. Okay, so what I'll do is then take this. I'm guessing. Okay. I'm trying to think. Entity removed ID. Oh, well, that kind of makes sense. There's entities of strings now. Oh, well, yeah, cool. So they have names. Isn't that the kind of the title? Do I even use that? I don't even know. Whatever. Let's just get an entity. What we gotta do? So we got entity health. That's 1024. Perfect, we've got that, that's fine. And then what's the other thing? Level. Like that. I know how to spell enemy. I had look, do you know how long I've been awake for? This is the bit where spelling becomes an issue, but not the actual coding, so it's fine. Right, okay. It probably was right. I probably was spelling it correctly, but it just looked dumb to me for some strange reason. Let's go with that. This is the worst bit of code here. Right, what am I looking for? We got, oh, what even is this? That's way too long. I don't want that. Type would be easier to copy. Image. No idea what that is. So what am I looking for? I'm doing to level. Oops. Alright, there we go. Obviously I don't do that. I want to do this. But yeah, the village. I do actually know how to spell level, surprisingly. Entity. Right. Cool. Okay, right. So this needs to be a level. And this is actually an integer, so that's fine. Let's just quickly make one. So we got int, I don't know, level to add. Alright. I don't know. Actually, we don't even need to do that. Right. And then let's put it in here. Thank you, Bisping. Have a good sleep. Thank you very much for being here. I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a good night's sleep. Don't need any of that. So we got entity type. In fact, I need entity. Did I do level first before health? Well, okay, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Cool. And that's all in. Fine. So that should save the level. I did just say like I didn't really care what the level was, and I was just gonna pretend it was 1, but whatever. Might as well put this in. Probably quite vital at some stage. Brilliant. This needs to be health. Like that, perfect. I just, yeah, go, neat, right. Okay. Dan, thank you very much for being here as well. Thank you. Have a, whatever you go on to do. Thank you very much. Alright. Let's see. Right. Entity dot. What am I trying to do? Well, entity health, and then we put in the entity ID there. That's fine. Let's copy this over. It's just with level. That's all good. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Set those up. We set the placement. Now I want a transfer to happen, but I can do that later. It's not that important. So run battle. No, actually, to be honest, this should really go in the middle because my, you know what, my OCD. All right. Okay. I have no idea why this is so important to me. Run battle, right, okay, so this is basically where we check for abilities and that kind of stuff. I'm wondering, you probably should have a render function somewhere here as well. Yeah, we need a render. That's fine. So we got to game, we need to include battle. Actually, yeah. Actually, this is a UI thing, to be honest, so let's not include it here. Okay, so display, we got UI render. So what I want to do is then have it so it's like a graphics view mode. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Graphics view mode 2 is battle mode. Alright, that sounds fine. That just sounds dandy. Alright, let's do that. Except that was probably weird. Let's not do that. So we got world render, that's fine. World run makes. Why are we running the world in the renderer? You know what? I don't. Whatever. Player render is important, yes. UI we're doing a sec. An interaction render, well, we don't care about right now because it's not an interaction. Well, it is a type of interaction, but we got our own thing, so it's all good. Right, so that's all fine. Right, now let's go back to UI. I have like these bursts of energy and be like, yeah, I'm gonna talk a lot now, and then I'll be like, you know what? I don't feel like talking right now. Right.
I like when you talk.
Okay. Right, let's have a look. We've got game state 2. I'm guessing view mode. Alright, so let's remove this button because this means nothing. And let's see how this plays out with our thing. Perfect. Okay. Oops, that should be 2. Yeah, actually, how do we store it again? Where are we storing it? In graphics, apparently. Okay, well, we need to include graphics then, don't we? Graphics, there we go. Okay, right, that's fine. So in new battle, what I want to do is graphics view mode 2, Ito. Right, so this should now set it up for us. We shouldn't have any weird UI going on as well. But we don't have like the rucksack or anything like that. I don't think we want to open the inventory in battle. Actually, maybe we do, but we can just set it up so to do that. Well, I was going to change that system anyway. Let's go talk to Bob Cheese for now, because, you know, why not? Whoa. Okay. There's definitely something that goes on with that entity, with the talking to entities. It doesn't break it, but it kind of does. I'm gonna not do that. Definitely something I'm doing that's messing it up. I'm wondering what it is. Just needs cleaning up. That's like a tomorrow thing. Or today. No, tomorrow. It's, yeah. Okay, cool. Right. I don't think this worked. I don't think this worked. Hold on. Oh, it's because I messed that one up. Brilliant. What a great test. 10 out of 10. Right. No. Come on. There we go. Fine, it doesn't show anything. Good. Okay, so we have a massive number up here, which is the countdown. How long do we say, Dave? 20 seconds, right? Oh wait, Dave's not here. Oz, are you
Dave's
still
not
here?
here, man.
Oh god. It's all going to falling apart.
You guys don't even know the Cheech and Chong Dave's not here stuff.
Wait, where did he go? Did he say goodbye? I don't remember.
I might have missed it. I was
Oh.
choking for a bit.
Let me see. Fruit, you here?
I've been watching the code full screen.
Alright. Brilliant. Okay, well. Interesting. Okay, well, we'll just keep going. Okay, so in battle render, which we don't have just yet.
It's like everybody's in the room, but nobody's here.
Nobody's here, I know.
Oh, Dave's running here. I'm coming. Welcome back, Dave.
Doesn't even speak. How rude.
He's just piping his look through.
You're so quiet. Alright. There we go.
Yeah, I was working on the map editor, which I'm still working on. It edits and displays them all right, but it doesn't quite write them correctly. But it'll do its thing.
Yeah, I mean... Yeah, oh yeah, my question was, what was it? Oh yeah, so 20 seconds was the time we said, right? To choose your whatever, right? Or am I wrong?
Make your decision.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20 seconds maximum.
And that's for all of the people, or yourself and the robots, right?
Yeah, so that's sort of like the team's decision-making time.
Cool. Neat. Okay, so let's set up some more stuff then. So we want current undo. Let's see, current player attack. No, it's the wrong name, but it's good enough for now. And then what else do you want to do? You want to do UI include battle. Have I already done that? Yeah, I have. Cool. That's interesting. I probably would have forgotten to do that. Right. So we want battle dot render. Neat. Okay. What is Dark Side about Game Studio Live? So basically, the game is you're basically being exiled to this this prison planet. We're calling it. It's more like a prison dimension. But you've had your memory wiped basically, so you don't know why you're there. We leave that up to the player to decide why they're there. You choose. But you can find other people around and ask, you know, how did you get here? And they don't know, but they're trying to work out as well. Vaso GR, thank you very much for the channel. Welcome to the studio. Now officially a member. Thank you. You're awesome, dude. Thank you. Yeah, so they eventually like remember and that kind of stuff. Like you kind of like remember, or you make up yourself. And yeah, stuff goes on there. You have robots you can battle. It's about survival and battling, basically, is the main way. And there's a decent story around things. Okay. That can battle render's fine for now. I don't think there's anything else I want. So we have to think of some things. Okay. So what else do I need to do? Yeah, okay, so we need a... Jesus. Okay, so we need a time counter. JDog2115, thank you very much for following the channel. I do appreciate it. You're awesome, dude. Thank you. Hope you're having a good day today so far and enjoying the stream. Right, so we've got time countdown. That's fine. So actually, I've got it. It's current player turn. There we go. So I'll choose whether it's the player or what's it called? The robots, whose it is, and then it'll have like an arrow above them. So in fact, let's do that now. I got too much stuff open, so let's close some of this stuff. Don't need it open right now. Alright, what do I need this to be? So 40, so let's make this... let's make this 48 by 48 then. Let me get on my graphics pen. Neat. Right, I literally just want it to be an arrow. Well, please. For the brush tool. I don't know why. Make this like float above the player basically, I think.
Man, I wish I could pipe the music through.
I wish. No, don't though, because RIP VOD.
No, I mean, like the music production stuff.
Oh, okay.
I never pipe my jams through.
Whatever, this looks fine. Weird. Okay, well that's what we got. Would probably make more sense. Actually, sorry, this is... Like that. There we go. So I can choose what the current thing is and I'll show you. Let's save that quickly. I'll just use the blind tool. No, that's too easy. I want to use my tablet to draw it. Right, we'll do, turn, indicator. So on battle, underscore turn indicator. Like that, that's fine. Save that up. Cool, let's put it in GUI now. Let's take this. .png, easy. Right, okay. What's that, 32? Cool. We won't be adding this just... Shoot. Okay, that's all good. Right. Okay, so... What was that?
When I copy paste, it friggin' pushes to talk.
Alright.
I gotta change it. I'll do it right now.
Okay.
For me, it's whenever I press capital letters at the beginning of everything.
I'm so sorry.
That's fine. I was like, who's that? Right. We're also gonna need a grid. So let me think about this. So it needs to be the height should be 32, but then plus, let's say another 2, so 34. Then the width should be, I think, 32, and then we go on obviously 4, and then 6. But then on top of that, we need to add 2 to either side, and then another one. So it's actually 700.
Alright, it works. I changed it.
That was probably not right what I just did. How did that even? Wait, sorry, wait. 96 and then 100 and. That made no sense what I just did. Hold on. There we go.
Well done.
It's alright. I'll try my best. Okay. Alright, 6 again. Okay. This is our test grid then. So we got battle, we got then ability. Hopefully there'll be more abilities, but yeah, ability. And we got box, let's call it. And we need to put that in as well. Cool. Right, that's in the game now. That's all fine. Perfect. You should add an animation that your color changes. Color. Good. Okay. Good. Okay. I don't know why I found that funny. Yeah. Okay, we could do that actually. Yeah.
I was talking to Boom, to be
Oh
honest.
right. All right. Oh fine. Okay. I see how it is. Okay.
I'm not talking to you, Alec.
Yeah. Fine. Right. So we've got graphics. Dot draw. Right. So yeah. Okay. This is going to be interesting. Okay, I actually need to go back to, you know what, I'll go back to the robot in a sec. But basically what I need to do is work out where I'm actually going to put this. So let's, for funsies, just put random numbers, because everyone loves that when I do it. So this is 610. And then, yeah, we need the actual source. So that's going to be something which I haven't included yet. Resources. Perfect. .gui, and then what number was it again? So for the box it's 33. Put that thing there we go. And then we just need graphics.screen. I need to remove that thing, that annoys me. Where we have the angling, which is cool. Right, neat. Okay. So I'm just gonna draw that there. See if that works there. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's way too small. You know what? It should have been 64, to be honest. Instead of 32. I don't know really what I was thinking. I kind of thought 64 might be too big. So no, what I need to do is percentage by 200. And that'll be fine. There we go. Right, let's redo that. And see how that goes. And go back into battle. Better. Obviously it needs to be, I think maybe what I want to do is yeah, I'll try it. Right, so what I want to do is I need to do half of it, so that's 640, and then divide that also by 2, so that'll be 320, and then minus the size of whatever this is, half the size of this. So which is 200 to 100. So effectively it says 220 it would be the optimal placement of this apparently. So let's see it. Like over here. Yeah, it's optimal placement. Now, obviously the player would be better off here. You know what? I don't think I'm going to render items when we're in battle on the floor. I don't think it makes much sense. So yeah. Okay, well that's going to be difficult, but whatever. We just have to try it. So if you go back to world render, go all the way back to world. Which actually, funny enough, we have to go back to at some point soon as well. We're on render. If outside world, do that. Let's say. Alright, so yeah, that's fine. But what I also want you to do is, oh wait, that's SF outside world. We are outside world, so what I need to do is, let's just say if I go here, if it's equal to 1, then you go ahead and do your graphics item thing. Go ahead and do it. There we go. So this should just appear in battle now. That's cool. Alright. Cool. Right, let's have a look. Wait, what? Am I going crazy? I just basically surrounded that. They can only do it in one. Unless that's not where it's rendering from. Yeah. Why is that doing that? I set that to 2, so I can do it differently. My question. Excuse me. Drink of water. I should say we're halfway through the main time now, which is good. No, it still loves to do whatever I just told it not to do. Okay, so wonder why that is. I feel like I'm this is an interesting bug. That's definitely inside, I know for a fact. There's something else that's loading items, and I'm not sure what it is. Doubt it's world run. It's not world run. So why? Whereabouts is it doing it then? Must be some sort of rendering thing that I'm missing. Right, if I don't do world render, it's not gonna work. So probably this. Like if I take off this, it's not gonna show anything. If it's just the items now, I know there's something gone really weird. Yeah. So it's definitely in here. Right. Sure. Okay, so over here somewhere. Hold on. That doesn't make any sense. Did you do the same for entity? Will the entities disappear now? Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, they disappear. Items do not. So, question it, guys. Why are items not disappearing? And it's probably, if I get rid of objects, do they disappear? And if they do, then, well, there's something going on there then. No. Where's it coming from then? Is it buildings? It can't be. Must be going insane. This can't be right. Where's this loading from? Well, obviously that, but where else is it coming from? That's weird. Oh wait, well I didn't actually redo it, so let me get rid of that, and buildings. If the items are still there, then, well, I don't know. They're magic. Reappearing into this world. Cross dimensions that make no sense. No, they're still here. What? Can't be chunks, right? It's in chunks, isn't it? Of course it is. Alright. That was weird. I don't know why I'm storing them in chunks though. Okay, let's have a look. So, what do I gotta do? Gotta find chunks then, don't I? Did not do it out in the world. Should do. Gotta remove it to not. Okay. Interesting. Try that one more time. Yeah, it's all working now still. So that's weird why I was doing it twice. Well, that definitely did not help. That was going to mess up. That was, of course, going to lag some stuff. There we go. That's one thing fixed. Where's the cheese? All the way down here. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Fine. Right, let's get the actual mechanics of the battle working now then. Okay, so let's get the, yeah, okay, so we've got run battles. So basically as we go, we're going to have timers and that kind of stuff. I think we have timers and engine, if I'm correct. God, this is awful. Right, yeah, we have that weird thing. Okay. I'm going to have to keep engine open then, so I can quickly swap back to it, just to make sure I know what's going on there. I don't think I need interactions open at the moment. I don't need chunk definitely open or world. I don't know why I was rendering it twice, that was weird. I wonder if I was doing anything else twice. Well, I'll find out later enough. Or soon enough. Okay, so we've got player. Let's put battle right up to the top, as it's what I'm working on. Great. Okay. So basically, we have a couple of things. So we got if, yeah. We're gonna battle, and that's fine. So we basically have current player turn. So what we want to do is we also want to set a variable. We've got so many ints, but whatever. And we could probably just put these together eventually. But we basically want to have current, and probably just current. I think we could call it players. yeah, players in battle. Gonna give us a count. We'll store that. So basically, that's gonna be a calculation on the new battle thing, which is gonna say, so it'll be basically the player plus how many robots they've built. Which again, I need to actually open up since we're starting to use it again. There it is. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, so what I need to do is see... I don't have a robot count. Should do. Count robots. When we create it, we add one. Like that. There we go. We have one. So then if we take that lovely thing, I made it as a public one, so that's fine. In battle, we need to include robots, because they're kind of part of the whole bloody game, so yeah, what you fight with. Excuse me, guys, sorry. What's going wrong? Nothing's going wrong. Not with me. Okay, and then we want robots dot current robot count. Okay, that's all fine, and then so we know. So we have that count, and then we want actually we have that, don't we? We're almost 14 hours in. Wow, nice. A lot more to go though. Okay. What I want to do here is... What do I want to do here? I probably want to do... Oh, well, this isn't actually why I want to be here. What am I even doing? We want current player's turn. That's what I want, and I have that. So that's cool. So, so if current player's turn is, let's say equal to 1, so that'll be the player. So 1 is usually always the player. So let's do this. So we got player, player, and then we got player. Wow. And then we got robot 1, robot 2, got robot 3. Obviously, if you have one. So current player turns equal to 1. Then basically show the abilities at the bottom, that's fine. Get that here as well. Those will be shown right in it, I hope, but I guess we're going to overlay it, so that's fine. So we basically want to get player, we'll get player current abilities that is set. Now obviously, I don't think we can do that, because we don't have anything, and it's absolutely horrible here. So, probably want to do is int current. Actually, we'll just do player abilities. So we call it, yeah, player abilities. Yeah, just like that, and that will be 3, because you can have 3, right? Possibly. Okay, so you got player abilities. That's fine. Click those. And we're going to basically do a for loop, and in that for loop will be rendering the player abilities. So we do abilities, and then we're going to make that equal to 0, and then we're going to have while abilities are less than 3. Yeah, and then we're going to do abilities plus plus. Just like that. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to draw it. Well, there'll be buttons actually, so we need to include menu now as well. Include Menu. Perfect. Alright, no problem. Yeah, I don't expect anyone to stay the whole thing. Menu dot add button. We'll work that out in a sec, where they actually go. But for now we'll just put 0 and 0 like that. But I'd like you to go starting from there plus what is it? Plus 60 plus 65. Plus 65 times, was it, abilities. Okay, don't worry, Marco. Yeah, get some rest. Okay, and then we want the same. They're going to stay on the same height. Right, and obviously this doesn't work because we don't actually have a thing. So we're actually going to have abilities as part of battle. Thank you very much, Marco. I appreciate it. Have a good sleep. I'll see you later. We can say the whole thing is Ollie. Don't worry, you don't have to. I know a lot of people will just keep popping in and out throughout. They're probably, yeah, a lot of people who are near the start will probably come back near the end. That's what usually happens on these things, yeah.
About 2 hours, but I really have the map editor working, so I want to show that first.
Okay, so I'll make that abilities. And we're basically gonna have a get texture. Just gonna get the player ability texture. Oh, that also doesn't look great. Right. Like that. So we actually need to declare that. Probably down here. What's it gonna return? Well, actually it's supposed to return a SDL texture. So where do we else do that? We do that in items. So let's just go to item.ah and just nick that basically. Where is it? It's battle. Where is it? What about? Thank you, Dragon, for being here though. Awesome. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, so we haven't actually done get texture just yet. Here we go. So we want SDL underscore texture, please. Texture, and we want get texture. And we want a void, sorry, not a void, what doesn't make sense, int, we want ability ID, like that. Let's try that, because that's going to annoy me if not. A lot of people lurking, well, yeah, people lurk all the time in streams. Game development has a lot of lurkers, unfortunately, but yeah, whatever. There are also a lot of people who don't lurk, so yeah, kind of makes up for it. Yeah. Much more fun to lurk. It's nice to sit back and relax and just watch what's going on. And a lot of people have the like stream on in the background, kind of like a podcast, so yeah. Okay, so I want to return. Because we're doing a texture, right? Texture, tile, I suppose. Yeah, people will ask when they need to ask. Other than that, there's no need to talk. It's not like in a game stream where you're like talking about loads of different stuff. Or yeah, there's a slight difference, but yeah. Okay, so what I want to do is in battle set up some more. Yeah, wait. I want this ability. Right, this is where we got ability icons. And for now, we'll just say you have a total of. Yeah, we can raise this later. So that's fine. Let's go ability icon, ability names. Yeah. Yeah, boom. Like, people like you will just fill up the chat anyway, so that's fine. As long as it's someone to speak to, it's all good. Oh, there we go. Okay. So we got names, icons, that's all fine for now, I think. I suppose we have like ability types as well. What they do, I have no idea, but we need them. An ability, probably, we don't want to call it damage, because not all abilities do damage, but we'll probably just have, actually, ability changer, that kind of works. Okay, we got those, that's fine. So if I take this, because since we're actually using it now, what's going to happen? So basically all we're going to do is ability, get the ability ID, and you basically return the texture, like that, perfect, and that's pretty much it. Using user background while working on a project, yeah, exactly, like loads of people do that. It's just the thing, you just like to listen to people like who just talk about what they're doing, yeah. Yeah, we had like a massive poll like ages ago about whether people like listen to me in the background, actually watch the stream. Most people just, yeah, listen to me in the background. And then they just like peek in, like see what I'm doing. That's pretty much what goes on. Yeah. Okay. So return ability tile. So there we go, we've got our get texture. Okay, ability. Yeah? Oh right, well of course that's right. Dot abilities. There we go. Okay, fine. Now funny enough, I haven't actually set up how the abilities work just yet, so that's fine. So let's actually do that. Abilities, there we go. That's fine. And then probably want so then we want actual like battle stuff. And then what else we want? Then we also want to do well, it's kind of part of abilities anyway. Yeah, sure, no problem. Right. What do I want to do? Yeah, I want a load abilities. Load abilities, and that's fine, whatever. Load abilities is technically all I need. Yeah, perfect, okay. We got all that kind of stuff. But get texture is technically an ability thing. Let's put that under abilities. Get ability text. Ability textures, probably want to name it instead of just get texture. There we go. Fine. That makes more sense now. Okay, so that's all good. We might as well start doing what we need to do then for what I just mentioned. So let's get the load abilities. Now put it down here. Not a breakpoint. Thanks. Cool. Let's not mess this up. Right, so we've got load abilities, that's all good. That's all good. Okay, so from there, we are practically copying what we have in... Not item, oh yeah, pretty much item. I need that right now. What am I looking for? Entities, pretty much. Batram, oh wow, Batram, thank you very much for following the channel. I do appreciate it. Welcome. You're amazing. Thank you very much for helping grow this channel. You're awesome. Thank you very much. Welcome to this studio. You know, officially a member. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Okay, so I need all this stuff, pretty much. So let's just copy all of it, I suppose, and then fix up what we need and what we don't. Pretty big file though. So yeah, we definitely don't need all this. I don't think. Yeah, probably not. Right, okay, so... Battleground, thank you very much. Right, okay, so... we got file path, entity. So, what we need is file path ability. entity. Whoops. That. So we need to now open up file again. File. And this. And what we need to do is we just have to take this. And we'll stuff it. Stuff it after portals, probably. Oops, don't do that. Yeah, ability. There we go. So let's put this here. And then what do I need to do? Here, I need to... What do I need to do? Why am I still in file? Oh, yeah, here we go. Right. I'll put it straight after portals. Now let me have a look. I don't know where I'm putting it at the moment. Probably in oh, Batman, you stream as well. That's cool. That's cool. What are you making at the moment then? What type of game? I think maybe I want to put it in entities. Let's do it there. We want to put it in entities, yeah. Adventure, game, entities. I suppose abilities can go. Abilities.ces. What's in 612 on a game? Okay, cool. That's cool. That's sweet. Okay, so we've got abilities. That's not the cast file. Oh, it's still got cool showtime. That's weird. Probably want to change that at some point. But that's cool. Whatever. Right. So that's in. No, not yet. Where is it? Entities. With double slashes. That's not what I want. So abilities, right? If I named it, yeah. Okay, cool. Right, that's in. Nice. Let's get out of that file thing before I be sick. That's fine. Right. All that sometimes. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. All is undefined. Well, let's include it. So, do you program Batram, or do you do art, or what do you do? File.h. There we go. Finally. Not working now? Possibly. There it is. Okay, so on ability line. Oh, cool, cool, yeah. Fellow programmer, excellent. What I like to see. Alright, that. Let's go. Right, ability line, this system. Funny enough, I'm gonna get rid of this, even though we're most surely gonna use it. No, I'm gonna get rid of it. Too much. Oh my god, there's so much rubbish here. Let's just get rid of some of this then. Not needed. Just like that. Is that gonna work? Oops, no, that's gonna break everything. Jesus. Probably should have read what these actually are in case I actually just don't use them. That was probably would have saved a bit of time. Yeah. Right. Alright, so these are image, so let's call this one just icon. And then, what was the other things I said that could be an ability? A name. Well, that'll be up there anyway, so that's fine. Probably type then. Yeah, type. Just like that. Okay. Oh, that's fantastic. Right, so let's get rid of all this rubbish. So how long? Well, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Icon. Neato. Right, okay. Put that there, that's 4. Why is everyone doing a 24-hour live stream today? Who else is doing a 24-hour live stream today? I've been planning this for days. They clearly copied what me. I've been planning this for a long time, so, I mean... I don't know. No, I've been doing it the whole time. Like, it's been a known thing for, like, I don't know. At least, yeah, like a week, yeah. So we got entity sprite. Well, none of those are things I'm using anymore. So we have ability icon. We're using this ability. What is it? Entity total. Well, I want ability total. All right, Boomfins. All right, get some good sleep. Yeah, hopefully see you later in the stream. Thank you very much for being here, though. I do appreciate it. Change that. What else have we got? That's gonna load that. That's good. I hope. And then what even is this? This should be ability type. And that should be a graphics. No, that would be bad. Let's not store that there. Apparently it's a string. Yep, that's pretty much it. So what am I looking for again? I'll go back to entity. Do one of these. I have no idea what that was. I want a string. What have you done? Image. Wow. Hold on. Where is this all gone? Here it is. Been looking for. Because it's the weekend. It is a good time to do it. That's why I chose, to do it. At the same time, I can really do one anyway. Well, I could probably get away with doing one on. Actually, no, I wouldn't. Yeah. It fits in with my streaming schedule anyway. So even if I wasn't streaming now, I would have streamed at 2 PM later today or 2 PM yesterday. Okay, so battle. And then some weird. What the? Yeah, let's put that there. Don't print out anything just yet. Although that would work. Do that. Remove that line. That's irrelevant. Yeah. Okay, so we have cool buffer. That's going to go new item. That's going to go in. That's fine. Right. So now we've got this name. Got the dot. So let's work on this now. I believe in entity we're doing the system, which I actually want to do. There we go. Okay, so what I need to do is ability total. We do fantastic. Need to be ability line. Erase that. And then what we want to do is we want to store this without that capital A. Ability name not. It's ability names. Fair enough.
Alright, I'm back.
Welcome back. Nice to see you again.
Hello.
How was whatever you were doing?
I can't really describe it.
Okay. And was it exciting?
No.
No. Okay, well that's good. At least you enjoyed yourself. Okay, right. Okay. Right, so that should all be fine there. And that should be registered as an ability.
I've got the map editor into a state where it will read a map, let you edit the terrain or the items, and then save it, and it should still be in a readable form.
Nice.
It doesn't let you add or remove or edit the portals or items or buildings yet, but it also shouldn't disturb them or erase them. I'm not sure on that bit yet.
Okay. So I don't know, from the not objects ability. Right, okay. Like that. And then I suppose one of the abilities was be shoot. Well, that was amazing spelling. Right, icon, and then we have types. This is ranged. Fine, and the icon will be from somewhere. Assets, points, GUI, and then we'll have a folder called abilities. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so what's that going to go in? So that's going asset sprites, GUI, and then abilities. Like that. That's cool. And then I think we'll just have shoot like that, and that can work hopefully. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, there's an ability added. That's fine. Hopefully, I don't even know. We're loading it in and run it. We're gonna get some errors somewhere because I forgot to do something, or I left something in I shouldn't have. Oh, it's going, which is good. There we go, nice. Huh. Right, let's go. Let's check. I wonder if it shows me if I load the abilities. Probably not. Surely. So it's still what failed to load. Oh, well, I haven't made the image. That'll be why. Okay, fine. That's cool. So actually, what I'll do is name it abilities. Like that. So that's fine. Finish loading abilities. Nice. And now let's get some actual stuff in to tell me what's going on. Lack of cake. Look fruit. Soon. Okay. It's very, very soon. Soonish.
How long have you been up now?
Let's see. It's been 16 hours now, probably. I've been awake for 16 hours.
That's not that impressive.
Alright.
What
Thanks.
time is it for you, though?
It's 2:30.
Oh, that's slightly more impressive.
New ability. Then what I need is this. And I want to name it ability line. Cool. Right, now let's run it and see what happens. That's not how you read a file properly. I know it's not. Right, okay, that's cool. Right, actually, I didn't actually check whatever I was meant to check. Oops, what I'm looking for. New portal. Crafting recipes. Interaction abilities. Right, new ability, shoot. And then it doesn't load it. Fine. Okay. Cool, so it's actually setting it. That's fine, that's good. Okay, fine. Fine, okay, that's all good, that's all good. Alright, so actually let's create it then, what we meant to create. So if I'm correct in thinking, it should be 64. Or at least I hope so. Yeah, cool. Then red going. Right. Here for a new attempt after your read operation fails. Yeah, I know. That's why I've got it on. I wanted to keep reading until it fails, and if it fails, I want it to tell me why. And I know exactly why. That's all good. Yeah, but it will warn me when it's wrong, so it's all. I've got all the checks in there. It's fine. It works fine at the moment. It's not perfect, but it works. Yeah, nothing you see is final. That's a really important thing to remember on this stream. Nothing you see is final. We're still working on the game.
I don't
Oops.
think any of our actual assets are final.
No, nothing.
They're on this placeholder.
We'll get liners.
Next stream we do needs to be a GXL game night.
Yeah, no, probably. It probably will be.
And then we'll play.
I could actually do next Thursday. Next Thursday night, we could do a mini stream for coding and then do the game night. That's the best night I can do. What does that sound
We
like?
have to do it pretty late then.
Well, yeah, it will be game night for me, not to say for you.
No, I have to be there.
Well, yeah, you'll be there. No. Yeah, what I mean is it'll be like from. I think. What time do you finish school?
3:24.
Okay,
No.
that's very specific.
3:34.
Right. Okay. Why
Well, I know
34?
the exact time because
Why is it a 4? How does that even work?
I don't know. They have to get the buses to start leaving, probably.
DK Smiley, I've written it down that I'll change it. But yeah, it's not final. It was just so, whatever, it's an old system I was using. Lots of things are reused content from old things and whatever, so yeah, don't worry. Thank you very much for your help there. Please. Shoot. There we go. Fine. That probably looks awful, but whatever. Yeah, okay, but what game?
That's what I was thinking of. You know, you could just give us all access to your Steam.
Yeah, but you can't run the game at the same time though.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, you could just give us money and then we could all buy a game.
Wow, okay. So since when was I made of money?
Since you got a bunch of donations.
That doesn't mean I can buy everyone games.
This is what the donations are for.
No, they're for like the graphics tablet and shit. And like, I don't know, like to help me stay paying for like a room possibly as well.
Forget the room, it's all about GSL game night.
No, I've got Magicka. Do you have Magicka?
No. I have Hearthstone, but that's free.
We could do Hearthstone. I don't know.
I don't know how to play Hearthstone.
We could do some. Yeah, we could do some. I don't know. Like, it doesn't have to be a multiplayer game. Like, we can do some multiplayer games, but yeah, we could do TF2.
I have TF2.
Yeah, everyone has TF2.
I think it's necessary to have TF2.
And it's free.
Yeah. Alright, okay. Okay. Let's see, player abilities. So, I'll tell you what, well, we don't have a gun, so I can't really assign it. Okay, well, let's just pretend. In fact, let's actually. Let's just make sure the player. This will be 0. Here's equal to 1.
Is Darkest Dungeon multiplayer?
No.
Ah,
Also, I don't have it.
it's only $20.
Steam, that's the cost of like 40 games. Or maybe 10 really good ones.
Gotham City Imposters.
No, no, no. No. Why is this return of texture? What it should do.
Should we just crap free to play games?
Should do. I mean, that was like I said, that's an option. We did Counter Strike. That was pretty fun. That's like one of the only ones we've done though, to be honest.
I don't have Counter Strike.
Yeah, I know. It's there. It doesn't always work out. Huh? It didn't breakpoint. What? Probably because current player turn is not set. There we go. Okay.
Could you give my editor a go when you can?
Yes, I would do it. Let me think. As soon as I got this ability thing showing up and working, then I can use it.
Awesome, cheers.
Yeah, it should show now, I think. Hopefully. Actually. I'm about to leave nothing. You know.
I think everyone's going to sleep.
Don't blame them.
Yeah, I'm getting pretty tired. I've got another hour in here.
Good. What I like to hear.
It's only 8:48. Why are you guys so tired?
I might need to go make some tea soon, actually. Just gonna run battle now this time. This time, hopefully this works now.
The only person away is this decosmary guy.
What did I mess up? Probably because this needs to be 2. The 1, this needs to be. This needs to be at 12. Actually, to be honest, I messed that up, actually. Should already stay 64. There we go, but yeah, but the next one should only stay 64. Doesn't actually need to check. There we go. Cool. Okay, and then the button should work as long. Right, as the counter's working. Right, let's have a look, Dave, what you got.
Managed to get the basics of the map editor working. So it should now let you do. It's a little bit buggy, but it should let you do some tile editing and item editing, and the output should hopefully be readable. I'm missing some assets, but if you're missing assets, it should just show an empty image that's transparent. Also, I don't do objects or buildings yet, but soon.
Okay, so items, so okay, open up the story file. Probably want to copy it in. Oh, okay. Alright, okay, that's my antivirus being weird. Okay, well, let's see. Okay.
Yeah, it's trying to look for a story.gsl, and then it's trying to go up twice, and then the assets folder.
Okay. I'm gonna risk it.
Yeah, don't overwrite your real
No,
stuff.
yeah.
The map editor shouldn't. Well, it doesn't have a save option. It's only save as, but it shouldn't let you overwrite the original. It will let you save the story. It'll let you save items and crafting. It'll let you overwrite that. The image editor also works, but it's a little bit flaky overwriting. So again, I forbid that from overwriting as well.
Okay.
So it'll let you make new assets, but it'll let you make new assets based off old ones.
Cool. Good, okay. Grid editor. Oh, so this is your drawing thing, alright, cool. Also, yes, increase the size.
Cool. If you check on the tiles tab, if you see any tiles drawn out, that's a good sign. And on the grid editor, go to grid and edit map, and it should load up the maps.
Maps?
There's a tiny little grid menu on the grid editor
Oh,
tab.
and then...
See, all the tiles are blank, so it can't seem to find the graphics for the tiles.
I also haven't added the assets thing nearby, but yeah. I'll see what it does, so that's cool. Then... open that, double click to open, then it should show the image, but obviously I haven't got the assets ready. Fine.
It should try and show the tiles and then the items over the top of it. So on the map, on the assets I had earlier, test 2 showed the tiles in the background and a few items hovering over it.
Hmm.
There's a lot of blank images on there though. If you put the files in place, you'll need to reload the story and it'll remap all the images and shit.
That should work, maybe. But another folder called game, it should work legitly how it should looks.
Yeah, so there should be assets and then next to it game, and then inside there it's,
open. There we go. Nice. That's all loading now.
Awesome.
Tiles.
Do you have
Yeah.
tiles filled in?
Yeah, tiles are filled in.
Excellent. So if you go to grid editor and then go to grid and edit map, it should now show you the full map and the
Jesus.
item layer.
Yes. I think so. No, wow, what the hell? I zoom out. Oh, right.
Oh, it's very zoomed in. So there's a slider at the top. If you zoom it left, it'll zoom out a bit.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
for some reason, it always obliterates the top left cell, but I'll fix that.
Oh,
You can, on the, layer 1 is tiles, so you can pick a tile and then draw on the background.
yeah.
And layer 2 is for items, which will let you pick an item and then draw an item onto the screen.
Neat.
You can fool it very easily and draw a tile on the item layer and shit like that, but I'll fix it. And save as will let you create a new .map file, and if you could give that a go, I'd love to see if the game is willing to load it.
Yeah. Eventually when this zooms out.
Yeah, I need to provide some better zooming out, I think, because maps are huge.
Okay, let's try that again. It's taking a long time to load. There we go. Fine. It does look like. I'm trying to work out what these things are.
Buildings might be missing.
Oh, probably is it then?
Yeah. It should do tiles,
How are you supposed to think like a building?
and then it should preserve objects and portals.
Okay.
But did it load with no exceptions?
Yeah, it seems to load. It didn't give me any exceptions. It just doesn't look right.
Well, it's a start.
Yeah, no,
Cheers,
of
mate.
course. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good though.
There is an Easter egg on there as well. If you go to the item edit tab
Yeah.
and type into the type menu, there's a little text box there for the item type.
Yeah.
If in there you type "think like a building" with no spaces, all in lowercase, it will pop up a little combat simulator I was playing with earlier.
Oh wow. Interesting.
So it's very limited, but that's something I was playing with to see if we could test out Oz's designs.
Oh, okay.
It's not chess-based though, so it's not a proper simulation.
I see. Okay, that's cool. I like it.
Only a toy.
Oh, that's cool. Right, well at least I can use this to do the item editing now. And stuff like that, so that's cool. Good. Yeah.
Glad it works.
It does work, it's good. Thank you. This will actually save a lot of time now. Great. Right, okay.
My internet is slowly crumbling over.
Alright, let me go above here. Okay. Alright, let's get the run battle then running. So, I was certain I did have engine running at some point. There we go. Okay, so time set. Time set. Okay, so including engine. Good work. Okay. Time. Time we get. Right, okay, I'm trying to remember what to do this bit. What's the difference? Time we get returns time. Yeah, the one needed time we get. Then if we say, how big are these things again? These are 32. Okay, fine. If we reserve 10 for the fighting one, that's all good. So if equal to 0, or whatever it's counted, does it count up or down these ones? That's up. So yeah, it will be equal to 0, so that's fine. I want timer set then. Let's see. Timer set. And in here we put the ID, which is 10, and then the stop. So this would be, what will it be? This will be 20 seconds. This will be, let me think. Calculator, first time it needs to be used today. Right. How is it calculated? In classes, so yes, we've got 60. It needs to be 1 2,000. That's fine. And then next bit we need to do is we need to get the time. Then we need to run the timer. Perfect. Okay, and this will be 10. Engine time run. Cool. Okay, and so that means that what we basically want to do is to check timer for stuff. So how that goes. Maybe timer goes what we want here. Let me think about it. So okay. What's this doing? So if it's less than or equal to true. Running. Okay, cool. Fine. I think. Okay, so let's have a okay, let's have a make this new timer started. Okay. I guess when it gets to timer run, it says it back to 0 as well, right? How that work then? Because okay, so if we have this timer run, then that should work, hopefully. So engine.timer run. And if that's cool, right. Let's see. Let's hopefully this works. We should do it every 20 seconds. We'll probably just increase the time in a bit just to test it out, but sure. Right. Let me get the console open for you guys as well. Right. You want to set it before anyway. Right, this should work now, hopefully. Try this. Okay. Fine. literally nothing. Right. I am using this wrong. Hold on. If it's more than stop, sure. So let's try this then. If time ago. Right, let's see. Engine.time ago. And this will be still 1200. GSL bot, don't go to bed yourself though. I don't want
He's
GSL bot.
tired.
I don't want him to go to bed.
Need him to stay awake.
Need him. So what is this? This returns true. Okay, this is cool. So new time has started, and then I want to current player 10 plus 1. And then we should go on to the robot. Okay. I'm hoping. Let's wait, actually, you know what? Let's not wait 20 seconds. This is gonna take way too long. Ooh, like, not even 10. Let's just wait, like, 120. Alright, the Cyclone, see you later. Thank you very much for being here. I do appreciate it. Have a good sleep. Alright.
Welcome to Game Studio Live.
Cyclone 2112, thank you very much for following. Like I said, have a good sleep. Thank you very much for being here. It does mean a lot for you to follow. Welcome to the studio, now officially a member. Thank you very, very much. New time started, new time started. Why didn't it, why isn't it continuing to start it? Every 2 seconds it should do it. Right. I think it's 2:14. So we've got 4 seconds to at least recognize what's going on.
Does it perhaps turn itself off when it ticks?
It should restart itself. It should be on like a constant loop. We watch it. Use the timer started.
I need to get some sleep so I can see my old man in the morning.
Sure.
But I should be on before you finish, so I'll see you early on tomorrow, I think.
Okay, cool. Cool.
See you in a bit, mate. Have a good
Yeah,
night.
see you in a bit. Yeah, you too. Okay, so it's running outside of our battle system. So apparently this doesn't work outside the actual thing. Because it's, yeah, if graphics view mode, well, brilliant. I did not pay attention to that at all. This is basically why our problems have been the way they are. That's brilliant. That was awful. Alright, let's actually do this properly. So yeah, we want the battle to actually run in the battle, not outside the battle. That would be helpful. The aim today, at the moment, is to get as much of the battle system done before Oz returns. Yeah, that's... Right, new timer started, great. New timer started, so this should be looping basically. And this will be counting down the time to use the ability, so if I'm correct in thinking... I did actually have the, what's it called? The abilities to start off with, right? Hopefully. Right, let's put that back up to 20 seconds and see how that goes. Yeah, I should have that for 20 seconds. I think, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly go make some tea. Or coffee, actually. Let's have a vote. If you want tea, type 1. Actually, just type tea or coffee into chat if you think I should have either one. Let's see. Let's have a small vote. Let's have a small vote. See. Tea. So 1 for tea so far. Nice, nice. It's funny how T Mosey goes for tea. That's nice, that's good. And it's disappeared after 20 seconds. Nice. Okay, because that goes on to the next person. Perfect. Okay. So let's go for some neat stuff then. This is abilities. I'll make a big cup of tea, I think. Abilities, and then what else do we need? We also need current indication. Current indication. So that's quite simple. I need to find draw. There it is. I can't remember what I put it as. Indicator, so 32. Right? Yeah, it must be right. 32. And this is exactly where the player is. So we need player dot pos. Yeah, pos x. Well, even is it? I hate this Clyde stuff. This is crap. That would be location, wasn't it? Of course. Right, X, that's fine. Along? Yeah, that should be fine there. I might have to minus something though. And we got player dot, what are we going for? Location Y. Obviously we want to, was it minus it by like 20, maybe? A bit more, 40. And then this, well, we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's see if the indication thing works. Looks like I'm making tea. Kind of. Why is it X like? Interesting. Very interesting. This needs to be like double that. And then this needs to be like plus 20. Possibly. Okay, kind of. Make it 10. Make it 60. That might be better. And then we can try and make it like float up and down maybe. I'll think about it. See how that goes. Yeah, random numbers are awesome. Yeah, pretty much. And then that'd be floating up and down. Hopefully they're with animations when they're idle and that kind of stuff, so that should work fine. The countdown will be here. I think. Yeah, probably. And the play loss is 10. That's fine. That's fine. Cool. Neat. Okay. So we got in battle, we want another ball, and we want, what do we call it, player control. This should be quite a simple one. It will just mean that, basically, yeah, you'll see what I mean in a sec. So to start off with, run battle. Yeah. True. Nice. Yeah, obviously be able to choose these. I think I'm making it a bit different now. I don't think I want them here. Maybe they're right in the middle, probably. Yeah, let's try right in the middle. So what are we trying to render here? So instead of it'll be 6, what is it? 640, so it'll be 540, I guess. I do the thing again. Whoops. Hold on. Yeah, that's basically where I accidentally do Windows key and D, and then it did, like, yeah, well, don't ever do it, is my recommendation. Oh, well, obviously that needs to move as well. Typical. Was that 54? Yeah, 54. I've just done it again. Why do I keep doing it? Actually, I should really turn game mode on. Problem is, I don't want to because I better fuck with something else. I don't particularly want that. Alright, let's try and not. I don't know why I keep doing it. Guessing it's just me being tired, probably. My finger loves to stay away. Perfect, okay. And then it'll go up for your robots and your movement and stuff like that. Because in fact, actually, you'll have 4, because one will be a movement. One might be like a take item or skip as well, actually. So yes, actually, this might be better. But otherwise, it's fine. That's neat. Okay, fine. Where's my run? And then we want if where are we on? If current I'm not actually, this also needs to be, and player control is equal to true. True. Obviously. There we go. So if current their turn is more than the current players in battle, then we want player control is equal to false, like that, and then basically hello, Attack. Welcome, nice to see you. Did I just do... No, that's fine, that works. Alright. Welcome to the 24-hour live stream. Going so well. More than halfway now, definitely, because, yeah, definitely, even with the overtime, we're still more than halfway. Unless one of you decides to increase the overtime. I'd rather you don't know, so please don't. Right. What is this? Player control is equal to true. So it'll be this. If current players in turn, we have to start with 1. Current players in battle is equal to 1. If I add 1 here, does that make a difference? How you doing, Attack? How you feeling? How you doing? Okay. Yeah, we're doing 24 hour. Why is it not showing anymore? I know, if player control is if it's true, I kind of want you to share it. Kind of. Yeah. Oops, not QQ, that's what chat does. I hope that worked. Oh, there we go. Right, go up here. Nice, okay, so hopefully now this disappears after 20 seconds. Come on. Come on, 20 seconds, I need you to disappear. Nice, okay. And then it takes its turn, and then, okay, cool, whatever, right. Be honest. This here really be here instead. We want, yeah, because we don't want to render this kind of stuff with player control anyway. So there's no point having an if statement if you're not in control. How are you? I'm doing good, I'm doing good. I'm getting tired at this point, but I mean, what do you expect after, what are we on, nearly 14 hours in? Yeah. Oh, I'm doing well, I'm doing well. Enjoying, taking this easy. Yeah. Why is this guy so low? Why is he so high? Maybe I should, maybe when I do the transition from their position to where they move, be better. It looks kind of weird, but you can kind of move in this anyway, I thought. Maybe. So anyway, yeah, so let's see, where does this end? So this ends after, well no, this should technically end after that. So that should go here, like that, and then this should also probably be an if statement instead of whatever I'm doing now. Yeah. We can calculate it, probably, the damage. So, yeah, we got battle. So we got battle, probably want then, a boolean, yeah, take action. Like that. Perfect. Alright, I think I'm about to go take a quick break to make some tea in a couple of minutes. So, yeah. I say that like most of the time, and it'll never happen, but yeah, eventually it will happen, hopefully. So what am I trying to do again? What am I just trying to create? Take action. That's what I want. Take action, and so this should be battle. And then, yeah, I suppose we could have type here, but whatever, I don't really mind. Okay. Right, yeah, let's take a quick break. I'll be back relatively soon, probably, maybe. Yeah, well, yeah, it'll be like 5-10 minutes. Probably gonna get some food or something like that, make some toast, and then I will be back shortly. So yeah, let's get a break. Enjoy the music while I'm away. I shouldn't be too long. Thank you very much for being here, guys. You guys are awesome. Hope you're having a good, enjoying the stream so far. This bit's slightly boring. It's gonna be fun when we actually have battles working, and I just test it and lose all the battles, probably. But yeah, I'll be right back. Thank you very much, guys.
taking a break. They hear us though.